Welcome students to Alchemy 101. My name is Susana Molikin and I'm the CEO of Spiritual Alchemy Institute. This course is being given through Udemy.com. I hope you enjoy the course. Let's get started. Welcome to Alchemy 101. When we mention the word alchemy, most people think that means a non-discredited method of turning lead into gold. Then, of course, we have the psychologist Arthur Young, who tells us that alchemy, with its fantastic imagery, is only a metaphor. That is to say, that alchemy is an allegory describing the processes of psychological reintegration. Many believe this is a new and correct interpretation of the alchemist's riddle. It's all psychology. Yet, if we look into the lives of the alchemists themselves, we find they were indeed involved in laboratory work that appears to be similar to what we call today chemistry. Alchemy has been described by many of the ancient masters as a sort of celestial agriculture. I think that is a correct definition. Some of the goals of this course are to learn the origins and history of alchemy, explore the theory of alchemy, find the relationship between astrology and alchemy, an introduction to laboratory alchemy, which is covered in this part 1, Alchemy 101, herbal alchemy, water and fire, Kabbalah and alchemy, minerals and metallic works will be covered in part 2, via Sika and versus via humida, and the philosopher's stone. The history of alchemy. Our school's main mission even uses the word alchemy because alchemy means transformation. It is amazing that alchemy was once called the divine art or sacred science, has fallen into such obscurity that it is now only remembered as the primitive beginnings of modern chemistry. And yet alchemy lies at the root of every Western esoteric tradition, as well as many of the arts and sciences, including medicine and pharmacology. Alchemy is definitely celestial agriculture. Alchemy has also been called the mother of all science and wisdom. In a nutshell, alchemy is the ancient art of science concerning the mysteries of life, of consciousness, and evolution. A lot of people latch onto the word alchemy and attach it to any number of New Age transformative tools such as alchemical hypnotherapy. Alchemy is also associated with transmutation or transformation of something of little worth into something of great value. In this course, we will explore, apply, and learn the concept and practical applications of real alchemy, the laboratory alchemy. The practical applications involve hands-on exercises and laboratories to prepare mineral and herbal extracts in the ancient tradition. Most of our history and most of the theory will be covered on part 1, whether in part 2 of Alchemy, Alchemy 102, we will continue to follow what we call today organic chemistry. I hope you'll enjoy the course, and I see you in the next lesson.